Hello, I am Adriana, and in this video I will introduce the gas-powered hot air heater ADRIAN AIR MEGA JET, a modern device for efficient heating of halls, production facilities, and warehouses. This heating unit combines high performance with energy savings. It is mounted directly under the ceiling, saving space and ensuring even heat distribution. ADRIAN AIR MEGA JET provides power ranging from 20 to 50 kilowatts, covering the needs of most industrial halls. Thanks to the modular burner technology, the output automatically adjusts to current conditions, so the unit delivers exactly the amount of heat needed. Users can easily set the direction and speed of airflow to ensure warm air is evenly distributed. The result is a comfortable environment and significantly lower gas consumption. The heater is equipped with a digital thermostat that allows you to set up to 4-time windows during the day. For example, morning preheating, daytime operation, damping, or nighttime shutdown. This enables precise programming of the operating mode during the working week, with the option to turn off during the weekend or holidays. All important data, gas consumption, temperature, fan speed, and system performance can be monitored on a clear touchscreen display. All data are displayed in real time or in the form of graphs, facilitating easy analysis and control of operational efficiency. Another advantage is the automatic cleaning of filters. The unit can reverse the fan rotation direction and blow dust out of the intake grills, completely without the need for operator intervention. When connected to a ventilation system with fresh air supply, the MegaJet becomes a comprehensive solution for heating and air circulation in halls. Reliability, savings, and comfort, that is ADRIAN's MegaJet. The device is manufactured with a focus on quality and efficiency. ADRIAN AIR MEGA JET provides heat where performance is crucial. Thanks to the combination of technology, savings, and intelligent control, it becomes an ideal solution for modern industrial spaces. Discover more about ADRIAN products on our company's website.